Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Willow Hill, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plainfield, Newville, Blowsville, Colonel Denning State Park, Roxbury, Willow Hill, Big Spring State Park, Doylesburg, Blaine, and New Germantown. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 188 to 219. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.